You've taken the first steps toward better oral health, bright clean teeth, healthy gums, and fresher breath. Remember, unlike ordinary single-headed brushes that clean only one tooth surface at a time, 30-second Smile's 6 microbrushes surround your teeth in soft bristles, automatically cleaning the top, bottom, front, back, and biting surfaces all at the same time. That's why brushing only 30 seconds is like brushing 3 minutes with any single-headed brush.
I am a periodontist. I practice just outside of Detroit, Michigan in a place called Southfield, and I've been practicing there for 40 years. And basically, we treat gum disease, we put in dental implants, we clean teeth, and do any reshaping of the gum that needs to be done to improve cosmetics as well. I'm using it, and it's incredible. The 30-second smile, first of all, you can do in 30 seconds because it's got 6 heads. It's doing 6 times as much as a regular brush. You can do in 30 seconds what a regular brush does in 2 minutes, and you can do it better. But once you get used to it and understand the benefits of it, it's like you never want to go back to a regular brush again. One of the great tools for minimizing the recurrence of these pockets that trap bacteria and cause periodontal disease is the 30-second smile. It's really quite incredible. Why would you brush with a regular brush that has one single head when you can get 4 to 6 times the efficiency with the 30-second smile? And you can do things with it that you can't do with a regular brush. It just doesn't make sense to go any other way. Now, it takes a little while, as I said, of getting used to it. It may take a day or two before you learn just the little intricacies and all that it can do for you. But once you learn those, and anybody can do that very quickly, it's just an incredibly effective brush as far as stain and plaque, and also gum stimulation. I'm in the business of treating gum disease. That's very important for me. And when you can stimulate that tissue, stimulate the blood flow, toughen the tissue up if you need to, get in the crevices to remove those bacteria in a way that you may not be able to with a regular brush, it's enormously advantageous. You know, gum disease is the major cause of tooth loss. It doesn't cause pain. People don't know they've got it, but it insidiously destroys the bone. And if you can eliminate or reduce those bacteria with a brush like the 30-second smile, you're going to go a long way towards keeping your teeth. As a periodontist, I think I'm in a better position to understand what the 30-second smile can do for gingival, for gum tissue. I mean, I've been a periodontist for 40 years. It's my life. It's my love. I love what I do. And I really care about people and their health and their gingival health and their gum health. And the 30-second smile can provide something that nothing else can provide. And another point that I think is very, very, very important to make, there's been a lot of talk, and not everyone's aware of it, about the connection now between periodontal disease and general health. They've found a strong link between periodontal disease, increased risk of heart disease or heart attack, increased risk of stroke, increased risk of respiratory problems, even dementia. There have been studies linking periodontal disease, gum disease, to increased risk of pancreatic cancer in certain individuals. I mean, when you have inflammation in your mouth, that doesn't just stay in your mouth, it affects your whole body. There are studies that indicate that people who have unhealthy mouths and or periodontal disease tend to live 7 years less than if you have a healthy mouth. That infection not only causes loss of teeth, but it reduces your health, loss of health. I had a patient who had diabetes. His blood sugar was 140, had difficulty controlling it. We got his gum disease under control, and his blood sugar dropped to normal levels. It's really quite incredible, the link between gum disease, general health. And if we can reduce those bacteria with the 30-second smile, which is enormously helpful in cleaning out those pockets, we can not only make the mouth healthier, we can make the whole person healthier. I love to help people. I love to help control the disease. And one of the major tools that we now have available to help control it is the 30-second smile. So I live with it, I see it all the time, I do everything I can to help people control it and treat it. And this is a great tool that we now have.
30-second Smile's 6 microbrushes surround your teeth in soft bristles, getting into every nook and cranny, perfectly cleaning the front, the back, and the biting surfaces of your upper and lower teeth all at the same time. So what used to take 2 to 3 minutes now takes only 30 seconds.